Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me, asked me the question, when I join two nodes, why do I join with the Docker versus the two node icon up in the shaping when you have the shape tool open? So I drew this thing and it's got, as you can maybe see, it's got two sets of nodes that are right on top of each other, but they're two nodes. This is real convenient, and in one way you can find out if it is like that if you smart fill it versus it's not a closed object, so you cannot just fill it in with blue. So you can very much so use this, and it'll close those nodes, and then you go here and you close these nodes, and then it is a fillable object. But one reason I don't use it, I'm going to open those two nodes back up. Go back one more time. Let me get to where they're open. Okay, they're both open now. If you use this, when you do two at a time, you get that because it's closing the nodes and it doesn't know where it is. So when I use the Docker, when I go to Windows, Dockers, and join curves, I have it set on a 1/2 inch. So any node within a 1/2 inch or outside of a 1/2 inch will not be closed. So I can join both those nodes at one time without the fear of doing that. And you can just do a lot. You could have 25 nodes that you need to close all at once. So that's why I use that sometimes, but I guess I've never really made a video out of it. It is real handy when you need to, join some nodes. Hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.